Ben Nevis, the highest mountain in the United Kingdom. This majestic mountain enhances the beauty of Scottish Highlands. Glen Nevis is a beautiful small valley. It's right beside Ben Nevis. It's a tourist destination. People come here and they do camping. And they have all facilities here. This valley is a beautiful valley. You saw it in so many movies. Braveheart is one of the most popular movies which was filmed here. Now, I'm just standing right next to tourist center. Every year, 150,000 people they visit the Scottish Highlands just to reach the summit of this majestic mountain, Ben Nevis. Oh, by the way, wait a minute. You know what? People come to hike this majestic mountain, the highest mountain in Britain. They're always prepared. Alright. They got proper bush hiking kit. Alright. Compass, maps, and everything. Me, I don't have anything. So, basically, I'm gonna hike the highest mountain in Britain without any preparation. No proper boots, no proper clothing, no compass, no map, no nothing. Me, my phone, a camera, and a wanderer. Alright, so wherever there will be concern about safety or something, most probably I will stop. So, yes, I'm not prepared. I'm not prepared for the summit. Up there, Ben Nevis got his head covered in clouds. Sometimes even during the month of August, you can have some snowfall on the summit over there. So basically, I never had a plan to reach at the top because I'm been there for so many times that I'm not interested anymore. Today, luckily, it was a beautiful day and I decided to go on the tourist spot to capture some beautiful pictures of Glen Nevis so that I can have some nice pictures from the top. But because it's a beautiful day, I just decided to walk as long as I can to see what's happening. As you can see, the gorgeous valley, small valley, Glen Nevis. No wonder why Braveheart was filmed here. The village scene, there was proper village was set up somewhere there for the dune there. Alright, yes, as beautiful, as gorgeous. Unfortunately, like I think it's stupidity, to be honest. Don't get me wrong, this mountain is not easy hike. It's not everyone's cup of tea, sorry to say. Up there, weather can change dramatically. You can face wind, heavy wind, rainstorm. You can have snowfall. You can get interacted with thick clouds of fog and mist. You never know what you're gonna face. Sure, everyone want to come. I think most of the people, they are prepared. They know they're hill walkers. Alright, and path, it looks easy, it's called tourist path, but it's not as easy as people think. Yes. Path, the tourist path or the mountain path is not very straightforward. The surface is not comfortable. You got big stone some places you have big slabs of stone, some places it's just mud, and some places you can have pebbles, big chunky pebbles, and at some places you just have to walk over actual rocks. Sure, some bridges we go through. The views are absolutely gorgeous. They're cracking. Glen Nevis looks stunning. The more we go up, the more we're gonna have an overview of the Scottish Highlands, the beautiful Scottish Highlands, big lochs, majestic mountains, other small areas, cities. Really, it's glorious. The views are stunning, and that's why I'm just walking like a crazy person. The people who think they can hike, they can go up to the top, and their trainers, while wearing trainers or just comfortable, comfy shoes, that's not a good idea. Alright, that's just craziness, and I'm one of those crazy people, because I'm just walking for these views, just to have to capture these beautiful views. As you can see, look at that, look at the path. I mean, you cannot walk while wearing trainers, you know, but again, it was good weather. Just keep walking and going up. See, wash come. Sure. Somewhere here, as you can see around some of the places, that's where Braveheart was filmed. The scenes from the village, and when some other funeral ceremonies was happening, that was somewhere in that area. I think in one of Harry Potter movie, they used that big background as a backdrop somewhere in Harry Potter as well. But it's worth to go up there. I just a way to show how hard it is. And yeah, I think it took around 4 hours. Yeah, sure. Recommended time is around 4 to 5 hours. Alright, again, it depends how fast you walk, how fitness you got, how good physique you got. So some people, they can reach within 2.5 hours, 3 hours, and some people can take 5 hours or 6 hours. But the people who love photography, pictures and selfies or vlogging, stuff like that, they always, 5 hours is a must, because the views are really stunning. The sooner you go, the path is very dangerous, really, because any small mistake can cost your life, and you can end up in total mess. There is no toilet up there, so you have to find out the right place for yourself. But for some reason, it was a lucky day. The forecast was not bad. No, I'm just adding to it, show you the midway Lochen. There's a bit of a loch over there. It's called like midway, somewhere midway. People who like to hike Ben Nevis, what they do, they come here in the evening, so they do half of the things in the afternoon, stay there, spend night here, do wild camping here, bring their camps and all these things, and then they start to submit from here all the way up there. But it's nice. It's really for relaxation. If you want to have your lunch here or a small wee party here before you go up there or whatever, it just depends on you. So yeah, the path is really crazy and the views are stunning. Gorgeously beautiful. As you can see, it's just it's just like end of March, so it's not too much snow here down there, but as you can see, I just already interacted with snowfall, and sometimes you can have rain. Anytime you can have rain, and anytime you can have snowfall, anytime you can have like sleet. So prepare, make sure you learn everything before you go up there. No space for crazy people, unless like me, I'm been there so many times, so I know what can happen. But for a person first timer, please don't do any crazy act of madness. Alright, sure. I don't know if I will be able to reach up there, to be honest, because I'm just coming higher and higher just because of my lust for beautiful views of the Scottish Highlands. I'm not tired of it, and this is another best part because it's a stream, so waterfalls from the top, because as you can hear it, it's beautiful. So most of the people choose this place to do their lunch, a wee break, to have some snack. And as I mentioned earlier, I was prepared for this. So what I got: one bottle of water, small bottle of water, one cola, and one beef sandwich, and a small chocolate bar. Nothing else, because I never want to go on the top. But weather conditions is absolutely lovely, and keep going. Sure, this place is one of the best places because some people, they love the water. Sure, so drinking water. The sound of water when it falls, it's really amazing. It enhances your soul. You feel calmness. While going up there. So from here, a bit more dangerous path starts, because any small mistake, any stupid and crazy people, selfie lovers or crazy vloggers, if they do some crazy thing to film themselves, they can fall, and that's over. So the path over here is getting worse, a bit more. You can see big pieces of stones, pebbles, very chunky pebbles. It's not easy to walk, especially with trainers, what I'm wearing. Yeah, but crazy people are everywhere. Don't you think so? But views, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh man, come on guys. That's the beauty. That's the lust. I'll keep hiking the mountain. I'm keep going just because of those gorgeous views. Sooner we go up, the better overview of the Scottish Highlands we're gonna have. And I'm heading upwards and upwards and see what's gonna happen. But if there is any snow up there, there is a possibility that I will say goodbye. I will not go on to the summit because I got bloody trainers already. And yeah, look at that. I mean, that's lovely, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Again, snow, a bit windy, but Scottish Highlands, I think Scotland is one of the most beautiful countries in the world, and Scottish Highland is the heart of Scotland. The beauty and the natural beauty of the Highlands, its landscape, its majestic mountains, its unpredictable weather, its magical lochs, its scenery, its greenery, its mountain range, everything all together. That's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. For some people, maybe not. I mean, you can't compare Scotland to Switzerland or some other countries, but Scotland, it has its own beauty. The landscape here, it got its own characteristics. And look at the overview. The higher we go, better overview of the most beautiful land, the Highlands you're gonna have. It's cracking, absolutely fantastic. Guys, I'm here, very close to the plateau, Ben Nevis, and yeah, it's all covered in snow. If you want to see how Ben Nevis, the top of the Ben Nevis looks like, you have to watch the next video. Wait for the second one. Yes, I decided to go up there, even though I'm not prepared. I'm in bloody my trainers. Watch me. If you like the content, come forward, support me, become a member. Are you waiting for the next episode? Just let me know in the comment below. I will read everyone's comment. Take care, guys. See you soon.